How to create a note on Facebook Messenger app. This tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add notes on Facebook Messenger. So this was originally on Instagram, so now Meta have also updated the Messenger app where you can add notes and your friends will be able to see it. Let's see how you can do it. First, open your Messenger app, and once you are on your home screen, you should see this your note section at the top. But if you don't see it, then that means your app is not up to date. So just head over to your Play Store and make sure that you update your app before you do anything. Once your app is updated, you can just tap on post a note and write whatever you want here and post it like this. But you have to know that you can only enter 60 characters, and space will also count as a character. So you cannot write something very long. So if I just type in random stuff here, the maximum cap is 60. Now after it has reached 60 characters, I cannot type anymore. So you cannot write long notes right here. You can just write short things. So you can write something simple that you want to share with your friends. And once you do that, just tap on the share option at the top right. You can even change your audience, so just tap here to choose friends and connections, and also custom, so you can choose who can see your note like this. And once you do this, tap on share, and the selected people will be able to see your note. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.